Hi, welcome to Italian Coffee Ventures. I'm Barrister Richie. Today I'm here to show you how to use the Gusto machine Piccolo. So first of all, you need to turn on the machine from the wall socket. So the machine is on. Take the capsule out. So these are the capsules for Dos Gusto. So which one should I try? This is Americano, decaffeinated, and flat white. Let me try the flat white. So this is how you put it. Then you slot. When you slot in, and first of all, before you use the machine, you make sure this light is showing green. When the light is red, you allow the machine to turn green before you start. So now I close. This is how to close. So this is where the water tank is. So you fill through this way, and when you cover, you put it this way. Okay. So now I need to make coffee with the machine. This is the push button. When you turn it this way, that's you're making a cold coffee. While when you turn it this way, you're making a hot coffee. So now I want to make a hot coffee in my cup. Then I turn it this way. So you allow the machine to dispense. Wow. So the machine is dispensing. Okay. Wow. I can feel the aroma of the coffee. Let me try it. Wow, this is nice. Awesome. Wow, it's nice.